how's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and I know it's been quite a while since I made a video, and I'm getting back to the swing of things. Truck season, truck show season is about to start up, so more videos to come on that. But a lot of you have been asking my DMs and my comments and all that stuff, what's up with Ashley, what's going on with the build. So quite frankly, if I'm going to be totally 100% honest, nothing at all at the moment. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. Kind of windy out right now. Like I said on my Instagram post, I do not want to do anything more to the truck until I get another truck. Now, news on that is nothing at the moment. I have seen some other trucks. A lot of them have fallen through to various reasons. But I'm narrowing down my search, and I'm starting to figure out which I really want and which I'm like, I can do without, basically. Right now, if something comes up otherwise, right now I'm leaning towards another gas truck, a newer one. But that's all I'm going to say on that, because I don't know which make and model I want just 100% yet. But anyways, so a lot of you know this is my 1996 and a half Chevy K1500 Silverado. It's on a 2-inch leveling kit. It's on 20 by 12 XD series, or their KMC XD grenades wrapped in a Nitto 420 all the way around. I've got track bars in the rear. I've got Duramax tow mirrors from Boosted Auto, last fit auto LED headlights with smoked lenses. I've got a custom made front bumper with a 30-inch rough country light bar built in, all of its Line-X'd. Bed cover, bed rail. Don't mind the dirty truck, work has come in dirty. Custom one-off tail lights that are color match the truck with tinted lens, and a Line-X gloss black rear bumper. 5% window tint all the way around with a 35 on the windshield, and a blacked out third brake light. But pretty much that's basically it. I have a lot more plans for this truck other than what you see now. So that leads me into this part. I am selling some things to help me fund building this truck. So let me open up the thing. I'm gonna let you see. I've got, and I need to lube those. I've got some toilet paper, guys, you know, because apparently the coronavirus is prevented by toilet paper. And I've got some about a half a bottle or so of this great hand sanitizer my girlfriend gave me, and it's also a stress relief with eucalyptus and spearmint with essential oils from Bath and Body Works. So I know what I've got, so I'm looking to trade for a truck, preferably a Duramax, Cummins, or Power Stroke with under 100,000 miles on it. Let me know what you have. I'll be willing to trade. I mean, this has even got like the nice flowers on it, so when you wipe your butt, at least you have butterflies and flowers wiping your butt. So, you know, great benefits right here. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you got to trade and stuff, and I'll be definitely, you know, looking. But all jokes aside, guys, I hope you all are staying safe from this corona outbreak. I know 90 to 95% of us, even if we do get, will be perfectly okay. But you also got to mind the elders and the people with a weak immune system, or the kids that have battling other diseases and stuff that have weak immune systems. They can't fight this off like you or me can. So please help out those in need. Help out your community the best way you can by washing your hands. Like, basic hygiene would have prevented most of this, honestly. But anyways, so that's basically the gist on the truck. The problem I'm having with this truck is it does have 267,000 miles on the body with almost 30,000 miles on the motor, on the new motor. So I'm at the point to where I don't want to keep sinking money in it if I'm going to keep daily driving. And I think most of you will understand that, because it is starting to show its age. I've got like clear coat flaking off right here. My air intake is right here. Of course, I got the typical now Chevy rust bubbling in the quarter panel I need to take care of. Some other paint and body work I need to take care of. I do want to lift it more, and when I lift it next, I want to be able to put on 22 by 14s on this truck. So X amount of lift will of course do that. I want to make sure I get rid of this dent. There's a lot of stuff I want to do to this truck, and a lot of people say, man, that's still a clean truck for original paint. And yeah, it really is. But I always hold, I guess, my stuff to a high standard, and to me, this is not any more quote unquote worthy in my eyes to show off technically. So the faster I'm pushing hard to get a truck. That's why I've been absent so much. I've been working a crap ton of overtime. Y'all have still been killing on the views and everything on YouTube. Y'all have been keeping up, rewatching old videos and stuff like that. And I can't thank y'all enough for that. But I hope you all understand where I'm coming from. I know there's gonna be some crap talkers in the comments. I don't worry about that anymore. I don't even comment on those anymore. I actually just pretty much heart like them, because that's the only thing you can do. Because like I said, they're gonna talk crap no matter what, and I really don't care anymore. But that's just the point I'm at. So yes, would I love to get a diesel to tow this truck? 100%. But right now it's not in the cards to get one with under 100,000 miles on it. I could get one with over 100,000 miles on it, but the bank's gonna hit me with a stupid high interest rate because it's got over 100,000 miles on it. And I don't want to deal with that. Also, I'm looking to buy a house this year. There's a bunch of other stuff behind the scenes I'm wanting to do besides get another. I'm still gonna get a newer truck. It's just that it probably won't be a diesel. I'm just gonna be honest with you all. And that's my whole thing is, guys, you gotta understand is life comes up sometimes, and life has a tendency of biting you in the butt when you least expect it. And the past few months have been kind of hard with working a lot. I had some personal issues I've had to dealt with family and stuff like that. So I want to thank you all so much for your support and everything. I'm getting back into it. I'm getting back into the grind of YouTube and stuff. But a lot of you have been asking me with an update on Ashley. I have done some maintenance stuff on it. I had to do wheel bearings and some other maintenance stuff on the truck just recently, but that's all taken care of, knock on truck. And everything else has been working 100% awesome. So again, sorry for the wind noise, guys, but I wanted to get this video out to you all. I know you all been wanting a video, you know, and everything like that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family, constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all are having a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.